Next up, last resort for Handshake. In this, we need to kill the boss at Midnight Sapphire. This is relatively simple to do. All you need to do is kit up very heavily and come across to Midnight Sapphire's hotel right in the center here. Then, once you've made your way here, you'll need to fight your way either up from the ramp on the southwest side or fight your way from the back end over here and come up the stairs on the northeast side. When you get in here, you're essentially looking for one of the bots that looks something like this over here. This is the commander bot wearing a beret and carrying with them a pretty heavy armored sniper. This thing is pretty insane and it's definitely worthwhile taking to keep. That's pretty much it. There's going to be a lot of fighting and I'd recommend bringing teammates with you if you're going to try and do this. Otherwise, just do it very slowly and methodically if you're solo, much like I am. Anyways, this is one that you want to get rid of. He can spawn pretty much anywhere. I found him in the reception here, but he can also spawn on the upper floors as well. So hopefully this video helps you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.